So one of the most defining parts of my journey was like my recent placement in Gain Solutions at AI ML intern. The experience so far was like has been deeply enriching, like not just in terms of technology exposure, but also in how it has shaped my professional mindset. Like at Gain Solutions, I actually had an opportunity to work closely with the real world AI pipelines. So, contributing myself to the task as a model training, data pre-processing, and even helping optimize like algorithms for production use and all. So the team culture is incredibly like very good, like encouraging to contribute yourself and responsibilities over there.
So first of all, congratulations, Guria, for getting placed in Gain Solutions, right? And so basically, today I just want to know about your story, your feedback, right? How was your journey here, and how everything happened for you, right? All of that. But we will start with your background first. I would like to know like your family background, then what did you do in your graduation? These two things at the moment I would like.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, myself, I'm Guria Samyukta. I actually studied in Andhra University College as a computer science student. I actually have with CGPA of 8.5 till my fourth year. Like I have always had a deep rooted interest in emerging into technologies. So especially those that lie at the intersection of intelligence and innovations. Such as like AI, my learning approach has always been hands-on. So one of the most defining parts of my journey was like my recent placement in Gain Solutions at AI ML intern. The experience so far was like has been deeply enriching, like not just in terms of technology exposure, but also in how it has shaped my professional mindset. Like at Gain Solutions, I actually had an opportunity to work closely with the real world AI pipelines. So, contributing myself to the task as a model training, data pre processing, and even helping optimize like algorithms for production use and all. So, the team culture is incredibly like very good, like encouraging to contribute yourself and responsibilities over there.
Okay, I would like to pause you here for a minute. So like this was something that you've always had in mind, right? This is something that you wanted to do ever since you were in your graduation. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now which year did you graduate in?
25.
Oh, this year itself.
Yeah.
Right. So how was the placement scenario in your college? Like, were you facing any challenges there?
Ma'am, actually, when it come to my college placements, I actually faced like little challenges. Like mostly they have given me like non-IT placements and all. And for IT placements, like I used to write exams, I used to attend interviews, but at the final round, they used to just like they used to not select me. They didn't select me at the final round. Like till technical round 1 I just went through, but after technical round 1 they didn't select me for the next rounds. So due to that I got very disappointed. So that's where
Any idea how many companies did you apply before you got to know about AccioJob?
I almost applied 20 to 30 companies, ma'am.
And everywhere the same problem was there, that you were not getting shortlisted.
Few companies I'm not selected for the exam rounds, and few companies after selecting for technical round 1, later for technical round 2 I didn't get selected.
Got it. So then how did you get to know about AccioJob? Like where did you get to know about us?
Actually, I got to know about AccioJobs from a college placement.
Okay.
Like in that college placement, they actually gave a telegram link like you have to write this exam and you have to come to Hyderabad and write. So from Vizag, it's very tough for me to come to Hyderabad and write the exams. So I actually found some kind of struggle there. But later, I actually wanted to take a step because it's actually includes my future life. Like this, like stepping stone. So I just want to take a hard step here. So I just convinced my mom, and I came to Hyderabad, and I wrote exam in AccioJobs Hyderabad Center. And there, to wrap the things up, I just want to say that the placement team in the Hyderabad, they actually supported me very good there, and like they instructed me like not only my career but also my self belief. Like they told me like this is not your, even if you don't get select also, you have other chances to write, so you can have other opportunities also to apply. So this is, don't think that you have only like this opportunity, like cause you go from your college placement. So it's not like only that you have to write, you also have like other opportunities to apply and write. So there I got little support from the team, and today I grow and contribute with the professionate of this intern.
Got it. Now, like you mentioned, you came all the way from Vizag to Hyderabad to attend this drive. Right now, a lot of times what happens is that students, they have this, lack of trust that maybe, this could be a fake opportunity. Why should I go there? So did anything like that came to your mind before, convincing your mother to let you go to Hyderabad?
Yeah, ma'am, but to be honest, I completely understand like the hesitation many students feel like when it comes to opportunities like this. I faced that exact dilemma when I got this program at Hyderabad Center. But coming all the way from Visakhapatnam with all the uncertainties, like new city, new environment, new people, there was a definitely like a time, or like I thought it's like I waste it's like waste of money or time, but something inside me said to trust the process, so to take that leap, and I am so glad I did it. So because from that moment I stepped into Hyderabad Center, I could feel the like that culture and all that well-being warmly. The mentors were highly experienced there, and they guided me very well there, helped me to log in these all things, and this was a place where real careers were being shaped, like the professional setup and all. So final result is also very great there, like proved me to my family that opportunity was 100% real. If I hadn't trust that moment and stepped out of my comfort zone, I wouldn't be here where I am today.
It's very important, the thing that you just said, stepping out of a comfort zone is something where a lot of students, they give up. Like they're like, we are fine where we currently are. We don't want to, step out of the comfort zone. And that is something which is actually very helpful when it comes to, these kinds of opportunity.
Yeah.
Got it. So it was your inner voice which basically asked you to give it a try once, and you came all the way from Visakhapatnam to Hyderabad just to attend this one drive, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now, once you were shortlisted, when you shared this with your family, how was their reaction when you told them?
Like actually, when I said like I've got selected for the exam, and after that they have conducted the AI interview. So after giving those things, and after I got shortlisted for technical round 1 and HR round 1, when I got the news like for internship at Gain Solutions, the first thing I did was I shared it with my mother. It was really an emotional moment for both of us, coming from Vizag, and especially after the loss of my father. So my mother has been my biggest pillar of support throughout this journey. So she's seen me stay up late nights preparing for interviews, working on projects, doubting myself and sometimes, but she never made me to give up. So when I told her I have been shortlisted, she had tears in her eyes. Like it wasn't just about the job, it was the recognition of all the effort and sacrifices we made together. And then she told me like, this is your moment, you have to earn it. Like that simple kind of sentences which made me more and more kind of things.
I can clearly see two very powerful women here in this story, right? You and your mother, absolute kudos to both of you. Now, there are a lot of students who are still preparing in their journey. Like they are still, either they are going to start their journey or they're already waiting for job opportunities. So for those students, would you like to give them a message? Something with which, even they can figure out what exactly they are supposed to do.
Yeah, ma'am, I can suggest them to anyone who is still preparing, still waiting, or else or maybe feeling a little lost in the journey, I would want to tell them don't give up. I've been there. I know how it feels like to put in effort, day by day and after day, to go through coding tests that don't go well, to hear no after interviews, and to sometimes doubt if anything will work out at all. But please believe me when I say your time will come. The most important thing is like you can do it, to keep showing up yourself, like improve just one more percentage, like more than yesterday. If it's small progress, it matters. Like also don't hesitate to seek help when it's a mentor or platform like AccioJobs, or else a community. Like I got this internship not because I was perfect, but because I was willing to keep improving. So I was willing to accept the kind of thing. So like you need to get your feedback day by day. Like I was willing to be coached, like, and if you have that willingness in you also, like you're already halfway there. Like this is the thing I just want to tell them. Like
Wonderful. Gudiya, it was a very inspiring story. The entire journey was very inspiring. And I'm sure people who are going to listen to this story will definitely get motivated in some way or the other. And I'm sure they will take the right steps for their careers also. Now, before we end all of this, one last thing that I would like to ask you is, if you were to describe AccioJob with an emoji, what would be that emoji?
with an emoji, I need to describe an AccioJob means it would be like because every day feels like a launch in something new. So I just want to give an rocket emoji to this, like
Wonderful.
so that it actually like pushing myself outside my comfort zone. The place where it is like challenges are real and the growth is exponential. It's like I'm on a mission, not just to contribute but to transform myself professionally.
Amazing.
I just want to give that, and also I want to give another emoji, like they shake their hands like this, right?
The partnership. Yeah.
Yeah. So because of that collaborative and inclusive environment, like even as an intern, I feel supported, heard, and also encouraged, like to bring my ideas to the table. So I just want to give these two emojis to this AccioJob.
Perfect. Thank you so much for those emojis. Your story has been really very inspirational for all of us who will be listening to it. And thank you so much for sharing everything. Congratulations.